I think for me, hindi siya confrontational but we rather face it head on. Or siguro not head on na sa buong grupo. Like, kausapin mo, kayong mag-isa lang, one-on-one muna, no, tao. And I think it's the same with regards sa family, sa workplace, or sa kahit anong group of people naman eh. You just talk to each other one by one first. And kapag hindi na-resolve, you might bring in another one. And yun sa family, it might be your father, or your mother, or another sibling. Or kung ano, isama mo na yung yeah, I think just keep it within the family ko sa family lang kasi mas lalaki yung issue kapag sinama mo na yung mga lolo, lola, or whatever. Yeah. I mean, these issues will usually fix itself by its own naman eh.